In the stillness where the cold stars flame, I walk between the edge, a dream. A shadow beside me, fierce and free. The spirit of the roof walks with me. Her paws leave prints in untamed snow. Through storms and trials, only hearts know. She does not bend, she does not break. She finds her strength for others' sake. Through thorn and fire, through fear and pain, she rises, falls, and rises again. Not for glory, not for fame, but for the pack, for love, for name. I feel her power in my chest, a silent vow, a pounding crest. When I am weak, she stands within, the wolf, my spirit, born to win.